Good afternoon, my dear students. You know, your exam has been over. Been over. Exam no ire. Exam so yam pazana thare natra. So after a long gap of more than half a month, thakhaim ki sangi matungda we are meeting you again. I'm gonna tell you natra. Quick syllabus se before continuing our lesson, our class. Let me just remind you that we have already shared with you the syllabus for the term 1 and term 2 ka. Term 1 ka term 2 ka syllabus na koi the share tawrabane. So all of you must have gone through it ka. When it's all money, like na money na khale. The syllabus say almost complete already for term 1. Term 1 ki syllabus pa lower pugum bani ka. Only thing syllabus are left with the is with the term 2. Term 2 the label syllabus to katane kar wali se. And darba. Na term 2 gini in a circle tak pa hujali se. And darba. The coin is an under the Yaruga Su, quick side the giddy, Adumbayamana, Sabi Monaca Taxan Ba, in a Kataxan Batawusna, Taman Gidi Lloyd, Banana Kali, Adu Yang Siangoka, which of tongue check the weekend, and which is check the raw, quite a pig of a syllabus to ga, the Audaba, like Audaba sing to Yang one to Haroka. Other than a Sisianga Hana Togipa class to give Matungina, class Macasa Tazika, and the Bryce, Abinas Yaraba. Levi Yanika, Jira Sem Salayarba. Last class, we have started discussion on some theorem, theorem 10.4, 10.5 discussion of how given it. And the Gaisa, and a theorem 10.4, 10.5 discussion of give it up. I'm going to remind Tausiango, Nakogi, just backup point a car. You name the Supekalo, either like the Kaladum Yangaram Ganina Sataway, Yanabi, Yanabi, and the bra. Ignoram Kalika, and the Pekasi later su class the Utraga Sukadore, you have to be in touch with your books ka. Like sing to the Adam playing the villa Yadabanika. Simdi Haikika. Adunega. So in the last class we have discussed about the theorem 10.4 and 10.5 ka. 10.4 high is Nakainega. I ED just let me remind you ka. In Sing Sianga. 10.4 high is a Kayamatamda, a quaint circle amada. Circle Kanga, Kauraba, Kaudinadra, Circle Amada, Kayhaba, Center Dagina, Court Amada, Sing the Revelation, perpendicular way target D, Edowi high, it bisect the court of bisect the way in high. In Singiga, another Siango, a statement either with just remind of Siango. I have a set, the Circle Amalade, and I got the court of a singing. Center Silay, center in a perpendicular line of other line say high now. It bisect the chord at point D. We have a point the bisect the way to Nika. Sima we discussed the Wareka. We have proof also from Anjupi Rabani, Kamana Manner, you know, have a Kreka. The theorem 10.5 to the Kari high, Siskazas on a tenabada, Kayagiba. Center the Singa Ibelais na chord to bisect the Waragati. It is perpendicular to the chord. Chord to the perpendicular way have any car. I will see the 10.5 is a pyramid rubber. And the car, I say, center is singable is na A B C bisect the Uraga D, C D say A B C the perpendicular way have any car. Yanika Sima. So that's what we discussed in the last class, that is on 10 September. 10 September, that we discussed the Ugibadani. And that was that. So today we'll be starting with a new one, that is theorem 10.6 yang asengo aduga 10.6 na asengo ka. 10.3 the yaw po question sing today. Yam na live question atani, just let me go through it ka. Maro mata tawgyang ka. So exercise 10.3 the kaya yung draw different pairs of the circle. How many points does it have in common? And what is the maximum number of common point ka? You know? So exercise 10.3. Sidi yang kuya sangyali deka. Question 1 say no. Circle khare ye uhai re. Adu circle je nang na kai dore pairs of circle ye uhai ka. Ani ketang lau sika. Namun tentang circle ini mata common web apa point kayam tolak ke have ni ka. So case 1 da. circle is my lane color amana sida lane color yan dai ka circle an si common point lai bro common point ha bi kari ne hai ni na kai hai ba sa ani du gi id so na kan gi ju point na mo ai ba so gi ju point na ma lai ba ga adu lai ba sida lai te ka so case 1 na kai na when circles do not intersect, then they do not have any common points. So common point will be 0. And that is the case to the circle ani se ke dore se just is other ka thing na katang sumaina this is circle 1 this is circle number 2 then dai ka akalin se ko na ke dore se point number ta katang kang na ke dore ba they have one common point sina kai na to se when two circle just is other then there is only one common point. Common point ama katang lai ni ha. Sida lai is ni ka sa. This is the only one common point. And that ka. By number 3 dana when the circle intersect circle an se ko ni kapna ba yaad ra na intersect ka kapna ra ke dore they would be having how many common points kam lai gani nira they will have 2 common points ka common point ani thola kani kamai na ni ngo let's draw with the diagram dekhe unka samai na is circle ma lai re is circle ma lai ra the point A abanga the point B abanga tholapra thotra sa sumaina ka so this is the 3 cases arises from the question number 1 question number 1 dagi ka tholapa aba case ahum duni ka si kaina kon da koina usunga mamani kaina circle ani se amun thenan ba ya amun kaknan ba amun kaknan da ba ya natra sumaina case ahum tholapa ya ka aduna this is what we have discussed in the question number 1 okay note it down since sima okay then let's go with the question number 2 question number 2 is ne suppose you are given a circle give a construction to find its center hai ka circle ma pitho me circle lu center kamai to thor kadda ke hai ba hello na gyan ta reverse ba boleh ngambil Arika. So gini hasil question number 2 given the kaino se you are given a circle ma pitho me to kada ba na kaino construction to find its center ka center ko to kada ba so this is the circle si circle hai khala si circle ki center je ma khangri ka to combine bu thor ka ke have dani ka so let's take 3 points so first step is you take 3 points here ka let's name that this is A this is B this is C so step of construction je nga so step of construction ta kai la ke ang si ka first ta kai dore first one take 3 points take 3 different points and A, B, and C on the circumference. Circumference ta point hum lo ka. Then number 2 ta you join A with B and B with C. Then we get 2 chord chord that is AB and BC. Okay, so let's draw it here. You shall see now. Now, that after we get the 2 chords, then step number 3, you draw the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector when a line is perpendicular bisector come high. Melona ning bra. See a coin allow you the circle ye keep the nickel. I see that instrument to the late record school the lay hobony to don't start record to my the point is a station. Now we draw perpendicular bisector of the chord. Come again now. A B ga B C ga. Or then which intersect at a point point C. That is C is the center of the circle. Then the name perpendicular bisector was high give up. See that compass the thumb on a quaggy car. Compass it more hammer A and A car. Come the name, the thumb of the compass without the money is the center where hello. The compass around where they stop. You take more than half of it cut. And Katika hello, draw 2 arc at the different side of the AB car. The key, Tonakanami aqua, Sondamu yellow coca, my toga. Then again with the same Samanana B Tamutamo, because I love you after. That's that Hanagi arc and it's a go. Then you join these 2 points of intersection car. Another point some the law. Slava Samanana Siyum yellow. Say smile any, condom layani, the young yelani, Manam Kaani, Tanaka Anika. The point in this the law. Slava, in fact, what I got is the pra, which is the point O. So, question the carry high. She all to see high on the hand. So, O is the center of this circle. Then the other side. I'm going to go. Okay, note it down. So, what's in the layer? Okay, then let's go with the question number 3. Last of the exercise. Abe panel ke yang kaya ni yang question number 3 na hai two circles intersect at 2 points. Prove that their center lies on the perpendicular bisectors of the common chord. Circle ani kakna re Clear about? Circle line से सिगना A नि हाइलिंग कलो, सिगना B नि हाइलिंग कलो. Point this the corner. This is center O. This is the center O dias. Asi mana pamisi kari na. Circle anis ki center samjanari pala isse. Samjana tra. Aduga sigi A B se the perpendicular bisector wo hai ka. Nandar ba se che go. Kai ka se go ka disi kamai tau tu ne go. Asi mana pamisi kari na. O dias na A B se point sida let's name this point is P. The point P tholang kala si P is the perpendicular bisector su wo re. The perpendicular su wo amasung A B C की bisector su wo anu ule हमने का. और इसलिए construction की तरह आप सुनेंगे. ये समझना है. Nervous है. उसी ऐ नहीं है ना. सिगी triangle and the congruence so pungamtari की तरह नहीं. This AP will be equal to PB and this P will be equal to 90 degree निका. और अजी target से कहीं ना AOP है बसिका BOP है बसिका congruence so output निका. इधर कमाई वाला कता किया ना. सिगे सिगे बुद्धि है ना कहीं वाले OA का OP की बुद्धि माना रहे कहीं ना radii of the same circle वाले का OP इसमें common वाले दे तो पामर दे. Hai bengam di natra, bengam drum ne kedore. We need to first prove ka si triangle se triangle se ini congruence so ina hanu put to ga dawa. Then the price ya. Adu ne answer given the question number 3 da. Two circle O and O dias. These are the centers ka. Center ni intersect at 2 points A and the B. Amount of which na their center lies on the perpendicular bisectors of the common chord. Construction में कहीं option है. We draw OA, OB, then O dias A and O dias B. Sigan tayo ka. Dahil praman tawag siya nga. In triangle ka na ano. A, O dias ka. Kanang siya. B, O dias ka. So A, O ka kanaga manare. O, B ka manare. A O dias ka kanaga manare, B O dias ka manare. Sikari ino radii of the same circle nika. Radii of the same circle. Then utna kana lere O dias will be equal to O dias na kay wede ba common oirakadori ba. Aduna therefore triangle AO dias is congruent with triangle by kanana no Then that was it. If that's the game, okay, totally angle. This implies angle AO DS will be equal to angle BO DS. So, can you know CPCT? Then that was it. Let's name this is question number 1. Ka. So, answer law. Yan tadi ko siya. Yung ano matunda mo yan o? Kasi ka na laro sige no? Si Engel si mana ito kung kopre ko pa ng cause ya. Ano na? In triangle ka na no? AOP. No triangle BOP ga. So the OA is equal to OB. Radii of the same circle. Then ano pa kanano? OP will be equal to OP. Then kanano ba man AOP is equal to angle BOP. So nakailan ito sa from equation number 1. So let's use nika. Si congruence ho ko congruence ho dati ko na kani hai my corresponding portion manner kani hai dra. Therefore this implies AP is equal to BP na thole. And amana kanala ni angle APO will be equal to angle BPO. Sisu kanala ina CPCT dagi. Ado manari by angle anisiti ke daure. Therefore my linear pair. So these two angle their sum would be how much? 180 la anika. This is manari se ko na kiene na usala si. Arbasa. Udar kay lagi ang this implies angle APO plus angle BPO will be equal to 190. Kaya yun ba siya? Linear pair gi. Sandali ka. Ito si kanano sa gito. K plus K will be 190. So K will be equal to. So this is equal to 90 degree na tra. Sumika. Or K dito sa kanano. This is angle APO equal to 90 and manakanano angle BPO is also 90. This implies that kaina siya OP is perpendicular to AB heavily. And that ka. Can that was ba? Anduna this hence it is proof that kaya gito ba the center lies on the perpendicular bisector of basta may kitang siyang buwar pra di yagadong malika to kitang sempat power pre no yara terus ya yara ka. So with this we come to end of the exercise 10.3 ka 10.3 chalo chale to go matang class tadi makha musa thana sika yani ko dia Okay, nori ta an simen sin jalo ka aduga ngasi dis dalo shalasi yani ka. Okay then, see you all in the next class. Okay, bye.